What?
But every time I got on these pants.
Why are you recording?
Look at baby Tanya. She's like, hi, best friend.
Why are you recording?
Just to chill, bro. You about to? This is gonna be the last summer we get to hang with India, and this the most I ever seen India. This is. I guess I can see why you got so many friends though. Like you pretty cool, or at least broken India
How many
is.
friends do I have?
Well, I can see like why people I see you like you really a cool person to hang with.
How come you didn't know before?
Because you was literally always busy, or I never hung out with you before. We sitting here eating ice cream. Danny on the track.
Well, you're absolutely right.
Miss Bonner on the track, or Miss Smith, I guess. Yeah, Dante over here. We struggling for ice cream over here. Jermaine trying to get a cookie.
That's why you get no views, nigga. Fat bastard.
I'm sorry.
Better be sorry. Yeah, get off it. That's it, yeah. That's right. Some fake titties. Oh.
You got 49 solid, nigga.
I'm 160. I mean 150. 157 solid.
So I ain't gonna be 149 for it to be too long. I can fight Floyd right now. I will whoop Floyd ass.
Okay.
You feel me? Shoulder roll. Hey. Oh, I want shit for something.
Shit, catching contact, watch me split it, then I bounce, bitch. She just wanna get it, I'ma put it where her mouth is. Now watch me bounce, bitch. Say you ain't bout shit. We just rollin', catch us smoking on that loud shit. Catching contact, watch me split it, then I bounce, bitch. She just wanna get it, I'ma put it where her mouth is. Now watch me bounce, bitch. Say you ain't bout shit. We just rollin', catch us smoking on that loud shit.
No, this is the Jermaine documentary.
I look like straight shit. Hey, let's get one of these.
I was going for this right here.
Whoa! What is this? Oh my gosh. Stop putting on my face, I look ugly.
I'm not even on your face. It was on ice cream.
You can buy that one. I ain't wasting my money on that.
This all look like a waste of money to me.
Look at this. First
I ain't
of
wasting
all,
my money
you need
on
to
that.
put this on the vlog, because do you see this caramel pretzel crunch? Are you fucking kidding?
Don't listen to her. This where it's at, cuz.
Okay.
What is
100% nigga fine.
Oreo?
I ain't buying that.
I don't.
I'm trying to think of something everybody gonna eat.
They eat that.
I just eat chocolate, bro.
I'm buying this one, man. Is it 2 for $5 right now?
Is it too far?
Nah, it's $5.99. Is it?
Oh, it's not. You ain't okay.
Jermaine.
Sorry, you know that. What?
Now we on the way. Hey!
Cooler with some shorties, we can't play with you. This is how I'm feeling for some niggas. Sockets, I'ma lock no empty pockets, Niggas running up, they better watch it. Bitches in my frame, I get the crappie. I sprinkle her a queen, she get the topping.